Hey guys, now we have just only 3 weeks before our exam date in February. So let's hit the books and buckle down. Now first of all, we have the idiom hit the books, which means to study in a determined way. And then we have the phrasal verb buckle down, which means to start working harder. Okay then, if you hit the books and buckle down, I'm sure your English will come on in leaps and bounds. And then we have the phrasal verb come on in together with the phrase leaps and bounds. We have the idiom come on in leaps and bounds, which means to make progress quickly. Sometimes your teachers may tell you to pull your socks up, which means you need to make more effort. So if you want to achieve your target bank score, then you need to pull your socks up. Okay? Now, good luck and see you soon. Bye bye. GoPro, stop recording.
His insubordination is growing by leaps and bounds. I could use discipline, but I'd rather try and help him.
So, here's the thing. Amara seems to be growing in leaps and bounds, not just in maturity, but in strength and confidence too. I don't want to get out of hand before I'm sure of her loyalty.
I read his research, and it's leaps and bounds ahead of mine. Which means the mommy of the smartest physicist at the university is not my mom.
Okay. Yeah, can I make a suggestion?
Yeah, of course.
Well, I've been thinking, the kid's coming on leaps and bounds, right?
Yes, he is.
Well, maybe it's time you gave him his shot. You know, let him play the inside.
Train on goat paths.
And that's him, and he's actually moving forwards in big leaps and bounds. This thing updates itself every 2.5, 3 minutes, so we see Jeremy's progress as a series of jumps. And
There we go. Oh, this is so exciting. Our family is just growing by leaps and bounds. If we keep this up, darling, we're going to need a bigger table.
Exactly 20 minutes till turkey time.
Oh, big businessman now.
Well, what do you know about it? You're scared of your own shadow. Reno is growing by leaps and bounds, Livia. It's a chance to get in on the ground floor. After Rocco gets the book up, he's gonna open